This quick video will demonstrate the game-changing Kupo 40-inch Master C Stand with turtle base. Too fast for you? Here's a close-up in slow motion. As you have just seen, the third Kupo innovation is the Master C Stand with turtle base. This is not your daddy's C Stand. This unique feature enables the still or moving image maker to open and collapse the legs of the base in under a second. This is all possible thanks to a patented spring-loaded quick-release mechanism that's super easy to use. Just follow these simple steps to open the base. Hold the C Stand so the riser section is parallel to the ground with the legs extended upwards towards the ceiling. Just pull the locking collar towards you until gravity starts to separate the legs. Once gravity takes hold of the legs, release the spring-loaded locking collar and the legs will automatically lock into their respective positions. Place the light fixture on top of your light stand and you're ready to rock and roll. Not only is it easy, but it's fun too. Now that we have the stand open, just follow these simple steps to close it. Hold the C Stand so that the riser section is parallel to the ground with the largest leg extended upwards towards the ceiling. Pull the locking collar towards you. Once gravity takes hold of the legs, release the spring-loaded locking collar and the legs will automatically lock into their closed position. Kupo is not just an innovative company, but a company that pays attention to all the fine detail work that makes Kupo quality stand out amongst the crowd. The Master C Stand features a zinc alloy base casting that's over 5 times stronger than aluminum to sustain the heavy weight of sandbags and people standing on it. The hollow junior pin receiver allows debris to pass through for easier cleaning and maintenance. Solid aluminum castings house the internal brakes that push against the risers to lock them securely in place. Some other brands have no internal brakes and the bolt causes damage to the riser section. The castings are fitted with stainless steel helicoil inserts to prevent the castings from being stripped. Now you're ready to travel or store your stand for future use. This stand has what's known as a turtle base that allows you to separate the base section from the riser section. To do this, hold the stand so that the base is supported on the ground. Just loosen the knob located just above the spring-loaded locking collar. Once loose, the riser section easily removes from the base for transport or storage. Now that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. When it comes to your vision and your image making equipment, at Kupo, we simply say, never let go.